So approaching Pacific Rim, I see the crossing guard running out of the road, and then he's followed by the people that he's supposed to be helping to cross. Why is he not in the road until they've crossed the road with his sign up? Then he proceeds to wave through this black car without even looking, even though there's two bicycles about to cross and this silver Toyota is still turning. And you can see this girl stepping to the road even though he hasn't looked. Then he just turns his back on these people, barely even letting them cross, and runs back to the sidewalk. What the hell's this guy doing? Look at this. Halfway through the road, turn, goodbye. My job's done. Your job's not done until those people have crossed safely. I had to resist screaming out of my window to tell him to do a better job. And then the same thing seems to happen on the way out of the school. Car crosses, car goes, he walks across meandering, not really even paying attention to what he's actually doing, turns his back on this kid and lets this kid run across the road. This guy's job is supposed to be protecting kids crossing the road. Something needs to be done about this urgently. As parents, we trust these people to cross our kids when we're not there. I would not trust this person to get my child safely to the other side of the road. What is the screening process, the training process, and how is the quality of the crossing guards monitored? If you don't care about your job or the people you're helping, then maybe a public service job isn't for you.